Hi, I'm James, and I'm here to show you how to use your new Micro TENS 2 wireless TENS unit. TENS is an acronym for Transcutaneous Electrical Nerve Stimulation. TENS units send low-voltage electrical currents to the nerves through the skin to encourage the body to create pain-relieving endorphins naturally. The Micro TENS 2 wireless TENS unit is the best option for on-the-go TENS therapy. Plug the included adapter into the buttons on the back of the Micro TENS 2 to use it with any compatible TENS pads. To treat larger areas on the body, you could use the butterfly pad, which is also included with your Micro TENS 2. To start your TENS unit, press the power button on the face of the unit. You can adjust the intensity of your TENS therapy by pressing the plus and minus buttons, also on the face of the unit. While on, the unit will run consistently. Or if you'd like, you could press the timer button to have your session automatically shut down after 8 minutes. Like all of our products, the Micro TENS 2 wireless TENS unit can be registered on truMedic.com to extend your warranty from 6 months to a full year. Be sure to like us on Facebook at truMedic Massage for more tips, tricks, and special offers.